couldn't sell it. Going on for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Tried to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Well connected and respected, how you didn't expect it. They pulled up, truck in the front, new Hummer, it's electric. These niggas going PC, but Big Wop don't need protection. No, they keep talking about the old Wop, well here is the resurrection. Yeah, no for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. These rappers getting it started, and it's really getting depressing sad. We know you take the witness stand, we all read your confession. I do it so big, I spent $2 million on a wedding. $2 million, I don't fuck with panhandling ass bitches that be begging. No for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Wow. I hate going to court. I see the judge and get to sweating. He tried to get away, he couldn't escape. Drake broke his pelvis. Rain shit, nobody can tell me. Now Britta, why you getting selfish? I'm up now, hold you helpless. Dripping in Giorgio Armani, you smell me. The 010 for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Wow. I do a walk through switching my tricks. I ain't wasting my breath, hope ain't worth a cent. And this shit personal, make sure we hit. Spin his block back to back, working the switch. The 010 for sipping lean and freestyling congested. Trying to put the pistol on my buddy, it got me arrested. Wow.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.